All right, let's see if we did it correctly. Oh, Jesus fuck! However, one thing has changed, and I have decided that I will be installing the relay. So it's number 87. I will go. Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today we're gonna work on a horn upgrade, on a stock horn upgrade to this WOLO Bad Boy. Actually, I have bought it because it's quite decent aftermarket horn, and second reason was because of the name. And actually, the story of the horn for Riker and Spyder, it's here for ever since, you know, the Spyder was introduced. The stock horn, it's the best comment I have heard is like the stock horn sounds like an ice cream van, which is kind of correct. And I have this horn for about 1 year, but I haven't put it on because when I was doing the first installation, I came across several problems. The first one is the location of the stock horn, which is actually right over there. And this WOLO horn, it's quite big. Have a look. This is my hand. I'm a well-sized dude, but you know I have normal hands. So it's quite big, and you will be not able to fit it there on 99.9%. Next thing is this relay box. I should be installing it because this horn actually eats like 3 or 4 times more power than a stock horn. And what it can cost you. And actually I was reading quite a lot about it, and I will go the lazy way. I will not use it because the worst scenario that can happen is that the fuse will go off basically. And the thing is, I was reading quite a lot about it, and they say if you are not using horn for more than 20 seconds constantly, you'll be all fine. And I'm not that dumb, so TheBeast screams. Actually, the next thing why I haven't upgraded last winter is because this is my horn. I just downshift and everybody goes away, so that's quite of a thing. So we will do the upgrade. We will need to find a new place for the horn. I will do some kind of a holder for it. So this is what you will experience. Plus the next video that I'm doing simultaneously, I will strip down the front of the bike because I have several good reasons for that, and many people were interested in like how to do it. And now really enough of this. Let's get started. Okay, so how to remove this mud flap or whatever it is. There is one pin right over there, another one is right over here, and then there is screw right over there, and I think, and one last pin here. So 3 pins and 1 screw. So this is the part, the holder that the old horn was mounted to. This is how it looks. Finally, I have found the place where to install the horn, and I'll show it to you in a minute. However, one thing has changed, and I have decided that I will be installing the relay. It's not like I have shit to my pants and I'm not keeping my word that it's not really necessary, because I was testing the horn and it was working without the relay. However, let's say I have had a couple of sleepless nights. Whoever knows me, you know that I have 2 new twins, newborns. They're super cute. However, the teeth start to grow. So let's say I was watching some YouTube videos, and it's quite easy. So let me show you very quickly how to do it in a KISS way. So keep it simple, stupid. All right, so let's be super easy here. And let me just first explain you how to connect the relay. And if you still will not get it, I will just then show it to you with cables, and hopefully you will understand it then. All right, so relay has several numbers, 30, 86, 85, and 87, all right? I have no idea why these numbers, but okay. Now, 30, it's your power that comes from any source, basically from the battery. So you need to connect the battery positive side right over to number 30. These two pins, 85 and 86, these are for your existing horn pins or cables, all right? So if you have unplugged your horn, you will place the two cables right over here, 85, 86, and it doesn't matter which one goes where. It's not a problem. This one on the top, it's 87, that's a power button, and basically it goes to your new horn, I believe to a positive side, or at least I will connect it to the positive side. Yeah, definitely, positive side. And once we have the whole circle, there we are missing only one thing, and it's basically the ground from the new horn. And you can just basically put it anywhere on your bike, or as I will do, I will put it back to the negative part of the battery. Let me quickly show you, in case you didn't understand my talking, let me show it to you with the cables, all right? Tiny break before we'll continue. In case you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel and have the notifications on, because every time I make a cool video, you will be notified. Have a look around the channel, because there is plenty of crazy stuff, crazy riding, upgrades, information about BRP, Can Am Spyder and Riker, so definitely worth a check. All right, let's try to do the visual demonstration. This is my old horn. Don't take it as an old horn, but take it as two cables that I have on the bike now that I used to connect the old horn. I have a relay right over here. So how I will connect it, basically, I will connect those two cables that used to be connected to the old horn, and I will connect those to pin number 85 and pin number 86 on my relay. Then what I will do, I will connect, which one? This one. I will connect another cable, a power cable basically, to the battery and back to number 30 on the relay. Look, now it's COVID time, all the shops are closed, so I'll need to improvise a little. I don't have the pin for the battery connector, but I will adjust this one. And so all you need to do, find the number 30, plug it in, and put this into your power source, the positive side on the battery, all right? And let's assume this is the battery. Now, what would be optimum and what you should probably do, and what I will be doing once the shops are open, I will put on this, between battery and the relay, I will put a line fuse just in order to be secured, and I will change this cable for a thicker one just to be, you know, sure and everything. This is actually the proper way how to do it. I will not have it today. The last two cables, what I will need, it's basically from the last pin on the relay, so it's number 87, I will go to the new horn, directly right over here, and let's assume this is my new horn. Once that's connected, the only one pin that is missing, it's actually on the new horn, and that one, it's a negative pin. I will plug that in and plug this. Basically, this is a ground, so you can leave it anywhere on the bike, plugged to steel, of course, or metal, or I will just simply connect it back to the negative part of the battery, all right? So is it clear? Hopefully, yes. Now, in case you have Spyder F3, this is where I have put the relay, and there was a similar hole already pre-drilled, so it was quite easy. And where I have actually put the WOLO horn, it was a little bit difficult to find the right spot, because I didn't really want to do drilling of the new holes or whatever, and it's quite a big horn, as I said before. So I'm using this bolt that is part of the frame right underneath of the screw from the side panel. So, and there is actually, I was a little bit worried because of the frame and the WOLO next to it, and then you have a shock and this part is moving. But I'm a well-sized dude, and I step on the bike quite heavily, and I will be testing it. But if that will be not okay, what I will probably do, I will just put some metal plate right over here and raise it a little. But otherwise, I think it's a good location. What I will do, I will remove this sticker and put some carbon on it, but that's not important. However, as I said several times, it's a COVID time and I don't have all the things that I would like to have. However, this is quite a good place. In case you are watching on YouTube, down in the description there is a link to the MartinTheVlogger.com and a link directly to this episode, the article about this WOLO installation. And I will share in that article in the links where you can get a full or complete WOLO kit for you guys on the Spyders. Not sure about the Rikers, but definitely Spyders. I have seen some. I'm not paid for it, but just simply I would like to give you some, you know, options. I think the kit is like 40 or 50 bucks extra. I'm not sure if it's really worth for a piece of metal and some wiring, but you know, like who wants, it will be there. And by the way, MartinTheVlogger.com plays with all of the episodes about Can Am Spyder and definitely my crazy riding, and now also about the Riker, because Rolling on 3, it's vlogging on MartinTheVlogger.com, and he has his own page right over there. Now let's finish this, connect those cables, and let's give it a test. All right, let's see if we did it correctly. What? Jesus, fuck! Ah! Son of a... Fuck! Just for a record, I wasn't scared. I knew what's coming and it was part of the scenario. Now really, I didn't know that it's gonna be so loud. I told you I was testing the horn without relay, and I think what the relay does, it opens the full potential because it gives additional power to the horn, and it's crazy. It really is. And plus, I'm in a closed studio, you know, so it was double loud. Now let me bring the phone. I know it's not a perfect test, but at least something. I will measure decibels, and you will see how loud it is compared to the stock horn. So let's see that. So what you think? I don't know if the numbers from the decibel meter really proves, it's just basic app, but the upgrade is pretty sick and pretty loud. Actually, I cannot wait to test it in real traffic. I'm a little bit worried because from time to time, by mistake, I hit the horn. So either I will be super embarrassed, either I will scare the shit out from some people, or I will scare the shit out from me. And actually, I'm thinking I will do some prank video. I never did the prank video, but actually, I'm thinking I will do some prank video with this. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you would like to see how to uninstall or strip down the front of the BRP Can Am Spyder F3, click on the video on the top left. There is the full video how to do it. Stay tuned because more cool stuff is coming very shortly. And now, remember, upgrade your horn, use the relay, and always have fun.